Go. Hi guys, Chris and Boomer here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage. A special treat for them today, Boomer.
Yep, we're gonna take the 70 Chevelle out for a little ride. We're gonna take you guys along with us, so we hope you're gonna enjoy this, and we'll talk a little bit about this car as we're moving.
That's right. Remember, only 4 days left for you to enter to win, and if you're the winner, you're gonna put this time capsule Chevelle SS in your garage. Going to be a whole lot of fun. Get on over to www.dreamgiveaway.com. Use promo code Facebook Live. You're going to get bonus tickets, special treat. Tell you what, we probably should let the cameraman into the back seat.
Yeah, probably so, if he wants to go with us.
Okay, so come on. We're going to let the cameraman in. Hey guys, when was the last time you sat in a 70 Chevelle, huh? You can put this bad boy Chevelle in your home garage if you're the winner of the Chevelle Dream Giveaway. But time is running out. There's only 4 days left for you to enter to win. Speaking of 4 days left.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
We ready?
Let's do it.
All right.
All right, guys, going to be a whole lot of fun here. Road tripping in the grand prize 1970 Chevelle Super Sport 396. How much horsepower does this thing have, Boomer?
Well, it's supposed to have 375. That's what the label says on it. But pretty much these cars were notorious for having pushing a lot more than that. It's normally 425 to 450.
Yeah, and this thing feels like classic big block Chevy power. Better put my seatbelt on and be nice and safe for this road trip.
I mean, I hope you can see on the camera how nice the inside of this car is. I mean, you've got your rally gauge set up here, all your gauges in here, all the gauges work. Still got the original AM FM radio in it. But when it comes to the driving experience, here's your shifter. Nice Muncie 4-speed, close ratio, and paired with that 396 big block, this thing runs like a dream. Here we go.
Listen to this, guys. Listen to that motor rev up, 3,000 RPM. This thing is rocking hard, Boomer.
Oh yeah, this thing runs so well. What a great car this is. Somebody is going to get a beautiful Chevelle and have a lot of fun with it.
Absolutely. Remember, if you're the winner, we're going to fly you to Clearwater, Florida, so you can pick up the keys to this Chevelle. And you got to be in it to win it. Even if you've entered before, now is a great time for you to get those extra tickets. You know, I've seen it happen before where the winner bought their tickets on the very last day.
Oh yeah.
I've seen it.
Yep. We've been doing this for a while, so yeah, I mean, we've seen it on the day one, we've seen it on day 200, and we've seen it on day 300.
That's
as
right.
These things come to an end.
You know, what's great about this car to me is that it's truly turnkey. Our audience saw one flick of that key, it fires right up. No gremlins in this thing.
No, absolutely none. I mean, the restoration on this car was top-notch, number one. And then on top of that, you know, we spend a lot of time going through these cars, making sure that everything in them is correct. Everything works. You know, everything is like it should be. Like we talked about the other day, everything on this car works, and everything is just like it came from the factory, and even better. So, I mean, even the air on this thing, we can turn the air on, and air comes right on. So it all works. Of course, this isn't an air conditioner car. It's got defrost on it, so we're not going to get that cool. But it all works as advertised.
Yeah, that's really super nice on this. And listen, we've all had classic cars, and I know our audience has. What's the first thing to go wrong up here? You get a crack right here on the dash,
yeah.
right?
These dash pads were notorious for first time you let them bake in the sun for a little while, they would just split right open. You'd have one here, you'd have one over here. and then nothing, and then you look like we were in an accident in your car. This one's got a brand new dash pad in it. Looks beautiful, fits right.
Yeah, totally nice, and the gauges nice and shiny. All of them work. That's fantastic. Someone is going to be super stoked when they win this car. What do you think, Boomer? Are they going to? Is the winner going to make it a trailer queen, or maybe get out and drive it like we're doing today?
I'm hoping that that they'll take this car out and they'll drive it. I mean, cars like this. I mean, everybody has their own personal opinion. Of course, my personal opinion is that cars like this need to be driven, because quite honestly, you know, if you're worried about driving it and it's going to break, well, I'll tell you, if you drive it, it's going to break. But then again, if you leave it sitting in your driveway, it's a 50-year-old car. It's still going to break. So take the car out and enjoy it the way it was meant to be enjoyed. And then when you have little issues, and you're gonna, because it's a 50-year-old car, even though it's a beautifully restored vehicle, you just fix them, you know. And it's the great thing about these is, you know, everything on this car is all electrical or mechanical, so it can all be fixed. It's so easy.
Yeah, very nice. So we're ready for this green light because you're first in line here. You've got pole position at this light here in Clearwater, Florida, and it is a beautiful day. Let's see you row some gears once that flag drops for you up there.
I think we can.
Hey, look, everybody out there is giving you a thumbs up. Is that something or what? Here we go, pole position. Boomer, did you just chirp the gears in this bad boy, Chevelle?
I did, and she's still running great. Here we go.
That's fantastic.
And you cannot beat the feel of a big block car coming out of the hole, I'll tell you. And this thing runs so well.
Really, really does. Just purring. And you know, sometimes people are concerned about the temperature of a big block car, especially one as 50 years old like this. But look there, look at that temperature, and this thing is running cool, really cool.
It is. It normally stays right in between 180 to 200. It's right now I think it's just a little under 200, and it will run like this all day long.
That's excellent. So you guys out there, you're checking us out on a road trip with this 1970 Chevelle SS 396. It is the grand prize in the Chevelle Dream giveaway, and only 4 days left for you to enter to win this Chevelle. Think of all the fun you're going to be having. And hey, now we're pulling into the parking lot of Quaker Steak and Lube. Let's see if we get any thumbs up from all the people over there chowing down their lunch. Look at that, everybody is digging this Chevelle.
All right, so Chris and I are going to go in and grab a bite to eat, but we just want to remind you, remember, 3 days left.
4 days left.
4 days left. So please go to dreamgiveaway.com, donate to those 7 fine charities we have, put your entries in to get this car, and you could have it in your garage in less than a month.
That's right, and Boomer and I want to see you here in Clearwater, Florida, you the winner, and we're going to hand you the keys. It doesn't get any better than that.
That's it. Chris, you want to go get some lunch?
Let's do it. We'll see you guys next time with more great fun, more great action, and more great traction in
the Dream Giveaway Garage.
Perfect take.
That's gasoline.
You put 93 in it?
Oh yeah, but it's got 93 in it, but it's ethanol gas. So,
Yeah.
Yep.